the 2015 Subaru Legacy air filter. Super easy to do. It's only a couple of clamps, and it's very difficult if you just do the clamps. But if you take this off with the 8mm real quick, loosen that up, take that off, this little piece here, unhook that, undo both of these clamps, and it should pop off real easy. Now there's a cord here, a wire connected, just don't pull it all the way out or anything unless you want to. But there's your air filter. You can pull that air filter right out, and then replace it every 12 to 15,000 miles. Make sure you take a look at it and check it. If you got a premium one, then you can probably get some cleaner and stuff and reuse it. So that's how that works. But it's pretty easy, so make sure you just keep an eye on that when you change your oil. Maybe just take a look at your air filter every 15,000 miles or so, and replace that. It'll keep your engine running good, give you good horsepower and takeoff. So yeah, and then just pretty much put it right back on, put your hose back on there. It's got a couple little slots at the bottom will just feed right into. And then you'll grab these clips, press down, go back to this. It's your little 8mm awesome little tool set you got. And just tighten that sucker down. If the other side works, you could use it. Just gotta go the right way. Once that's tightened, you're all set. Simple as that. All right, make sure you like, subscribe, put a comment in the bottom for the next thing you want to try to do, and make sure you get the notifications, and we'll see you in the next video. All right, later.